Hi, my name is Sikandar. I came to dynamic physical therapy like a month or so. I came with the dizziness, I came with the neck pain, and I was had an issue like vertigo, and I was very optimistic. I did MRI, and when the doctor told me I need therapy, so I was very optimistic. But fortunately, when I met Dr. Isha and the all crew, they were so good to me. I came like I'm coming like 3 times a week, and I saw so much different the week after I started. So I was recommended to my husband, which he had the same issue. So it's a fabulous and very, they're doing a fantastic job. The whole everybody, the whole crew, and I recommend it to everybody when they have a problem. So they can come and they can experience, the whole crew and the whole team. And I'm very appreciated the work they are doing, and still I'm keep going and keep coming, and I see big result and big difference. Thank you.